Okay, who has the worst organized video training on the internet? Probably Nowsite. There, if what I like to do is just I post videos just where their YouTube channel is, and then is it called Vimeo? I don't like that name, video, but I guess they put an M in it. They have both websites have like a ton of training, but when you first get Nowsite, if you don't really search for it or whatnot, you're just kind of left hanging. So what I try to do is just give everyone a direct link to the Vimeo page and the YouTube page. And I think that if you search around in the basics that you're going to want to know is how to generate a lead or a contact or a prospect, or whatever you want to call it, how to make an email, how to make a website, how to do this, how to do that. They're very basic questions. They have video training on all of it. And I think it's all super easy, actually. And then they also have a live 24-hour support that they'll tell you what to do, give you recommendations. It's pretty straight ahead, okay? But let me just show you both websites here. And I'll put links to both videos. Okay, let's see. Is this the YouTube? Yeah, YouTube. There we go. Okay, if you guys look up to the very top there where I did some highlighting, youtube.com/@ official royalty /video. I don't know what that means, but I'm going to put this link below this video. And you can see it's just basically the official Now site. And you can see where it's on video already. What I did is I provided the link where it automatically goes to the video page on YouTube. And you can see here French, German. You guys probably, if you're from those countries, it's awesome that they do have those languages available. But, lead generation, get leads while you sleep. You can just see all the categories here. How do you do mobile AI, where you download this on your cell phone, believe it or not, because you can get leads while you sleep even on your cell phone. And affiliate compensation, about the founder, the young kid. And then there's a lady named Coco. I think her name's Cheryl, but she goes by Coco too. And I don't know if it's Coco Cheryl or Cheryl Coco, or if Cheryl just likes drinking cocoa. But anyway, she's real smart. She's got a massive amount of video on training. And believe it or not, every day at noon, which I think Florida time, they do live 1 hour to 1 hour and a half, just live Zoom, where you can join in for free. And at the end, you can ask all the questions you want, and she'll probably have the answers for you. Okay. But this is just the YouTube channel. Like I said, link underneath the vid, EO. All right. Here's Vimeo, which I almost never use. But right now, this is the exact video page to Nowsite. What I did is I just put Nowsite. I typed in right here under search the word Nowsite, so that every video pertaining to this company is right here. This video link is underneath this video as well. I've never said video and Vimeo so many dang times in my life. So anyway, if you use Nowsite, it might be because of a video that I posted. So I just feel that if you know where the video training is right from the get-go, boy, will it solve a lot of problems. Because I wish that the website just had something that said video training, just screaming. But then at the very bottom, if you're on a home computer or a laptop, they've got 24-hour support. Sometimes they're more busy than, and I don't know when, because some of their support is, I think I talked to someone in France, England. I talk to my buddies up in Canada all the time, because I get a hold of them at least 1 to 5 times a day. Because I want to know Nowsite like I invented it. And the best way to learn is by a live person telling me. That's how I just prefer it. It's like, just tell me. I don't have time to search for the video. Just tell me, and I'm on my way, getting stuff done. So, okay, guys, right below the video, when you click the YouTube channel and the Vimeo, just save it somewhere on your browser and just kind of call it video training -YouTube, video training -Vimeo. And then, of course, somehow put it in a folder maybe called Nowsite. And that's what I've done. I'm a good boy. That's why. And now I get a Scooby snack. Okay, see ya. I gotta go. Bye.